Flying a drone is an exciting experience, but for beginners, common mistakes can turn that excitement into frustration. In this video, we'll cover essential tips to help you avoid mistakes and ensure a smooth, safe, and fun flying experience. Let's dive in. Before you take off, it's important to set the right expectations. Here's what you need to know when getting started. Understand the basics. Safety should always come first. Learn about your drone's controls and features before your first flight. Read the manual. It may not be the most exciting part, but understanding your drone's functions will save you from common mistakes. Set realistic goals. Start with small steps, mastering takeoff, hovering, and landing before attempting advanced maneuvers. New drone pilots often make similar mistakes. Let's take a look at what they are and how to avoid them. Ignoring drone regulations. Many countries, including the US, require drone registration with the FAA. If your drone weighs over 250 g, it must be registered. Follow the FAA's guidelines, keep your drone under 400 feet, avoid restricted airspace, and never fly near airports or crowds. Neglecting battery life. Always charge your batteries before flying and carry spares. Keep an eye on battery levels. Most drones return home automatically, but running out of power mid-flight can lead to crashes. Consider investing in newer battery technologies like LiHV, high-voltage lithium-ion, for extended flight time. Skipping pre-flight checks. Calibrate your drone's compass and GPS before every flight. Ensure firmware and app updates are installed. Check propellers, battery levels, and controller connections to avoid mid-air malfunctions. Now that we know what to avoid, let's focus on what will make your flight successful. Pick the right flight location and weather. Choose an open space free from obstacles. Avoid strong winds, rain, and extreme temperatures. Practice in open spaces. Start flying in a large field or park before navigating tight spaces or urban areas. Master basic controls. Learn how to hover, turn, and land smoothly before attempting complex movements. Once you get comfortable with flying, you can start exploring more advanced skills. Capturing stunning footage. Experiment with different camera angles, smooth transitions, and cinematic movements. Exploring accessories, ND filters, extra batteries, and propeller guards can enhance your drone experience. Utilizing drone apps. Apps like DJI Fly or Litchi offer advanced flight features, automated shots, and better navigation assistance. Drone technology is evolving fast. To stay ahead, consider these tips. Stay updated. New drones bring better cameras, longer flight times, and smarter AI features. Keep learning about the latest innovations. Join drone communities. Connect with other pilots through online forums and social media groups to share experiences and get tips. Unleash your creativity. Whether it's photography, videography, or FPV racing, there's always something new to explore in the world of drones. And that's a wrap. Avoid these beginner mistakes, follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident drone pilot. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more drone tips and tutorials. Fly safe and happy droning!